Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 352, Autocomplete in VS Code. Continuing our series on the Power Platform Tools extension for VS Code, in this tip we'll look at the autocomplete features available as part of the extension. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. The autocomplete capabilities for Power Pages within VS Code show context-specific suggestions through IntelliSense. There are a few different places you may see autocomplete show up. Autocomplete is available for liquid tags and objects. As an example, type FOR and select for, and autocomplete will insert the structure of a liquid for loop. Another example would be typing assign or entity form. If you type two opening braces, autocomplete will show the various Power Pages liquid objects available to you, such as settings and snippets. Autocomplete can also pull in data that is specific to your site, like web templates. For example, use autocomplete to add the include statement. Then press Ctrl space while between the single quotes. You'll see a list of web templates from your site. This also works when selecting page templates for a particular page in the YAML file, or when selecting a web template for a page template. Leveraging the autocomplete functionality in VS Code saves you the hassle of context switching, to check documentation for the exact liquid syntax, or to look up the exact name of a template, and is available for both the desktop and web versions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 352 on autocomplete in VS Code useful.